So good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about the different types of data casting or a typecasting. We can say typecasting is nothing but called as a conversion from one data type to the other data types. You have been seen two different types of typecasting. They are widening as well as narrowing. Widening is a smaller data type can be converted to larger data type, and narrowing is nothing but called as larger data type can be converted to smaller data type with an example. So today we'll be going with a very important concept of your oops using Java, that is operators. As you have been already learned in your C programming language, operators are nothing but called as an action doing on some variables. We can call them as operators, and hence he is going to say here the operators are the special symbols that perform specific operations on one, two, or three operands and then return a result. So operators are like plus, minus, into, divide, or modulus symbols, as well as you will be having with lesser than, greater than symbols, lesser than equals to, greater than equals to. So different types of whatever the symbols you want to see within the keyboard, they are nothing but called as an what a special symbols. Those symbols which they are going to act on a particular operators, operands means variables. Like if it is going to act on a single, it can be acting on two operands, or it can be acting on more than two operands also. We can call them as operators. As we explore the operators of Java programming language, it may be helpful for you to know ahead of time which operators have the highest precedency, which are given in the following table. So there are different types of operators you're going to have. There is a postfix, there is a unary operator, there is a multiplicative operator, additive operator, shift operator. Then you're going to have the relational operator, equality operator, bitwise and bitwise exclusive or inclusive, or then you're going to have the logical or ternary and different types of assignment operators. And they are going to have the precedency. Precedency is nothing but called as which operator is going to be evaluated first. Postfix is nothing but called as what? An increment operator, double plus double minus, increment or decrement operations. And you're going to have the unary operator that can be defined with the prefix expression or a postfix expressions. Or you're going to have a plus expression, minus expression, plus expression, minus expression, or a tilde operator. Tilde is nothing but called as a negation or a not operator, we can say. And hence you're going to have another one is exclamatory operator. The operator which is going to act on a single operand, we can call them as unary operators. Operator which is going to act on a single operand, they are called as unary operator. A postfix is a particular operator which is going to come under unary operator. Then you're going to have the multiplicative operator, multiplication, division, and modulus operators, wherein which they will be coming after the unary operator. Then you're going to have the additive operator. Additive means addition, subtraction, we can say, plus operator and minus operator, or a into operator, divide, and modulus operator, which are going to come after unary operators, because they will be having highest priority than your plus as well as minus, into, modulus, and as well as less what you can say division operation slash. Then you will be having a shifting, left shifting, right shifting, and instance of operator, we can say, that can also be used in your relational operator. Equality operators are there, and hence you have been already seen these all the things. In the next slide you are going to study one by one how actually the operators are going to be used. So I'll be having the first statement, that is called as arithmetic, assignment, and unary operators. A simple assignment operator is the part of your operation where a variable is going to be assigned with a value, or a value is assigned to variable, that is used by an assignment operator called as equals to. If you're going to use a single equals to, then that whatever the right hand side value will be there will be assigned to left hand side variable. We can call that one as what? Assignment operator. This operator can also be used as an object, on object, to assign object references in the next coming slides. So assignment means by the name itself it will be saying that you are assigning a value to the particular variable, or we can say operand. A single operand will be associated or assigned with a value. We can call them as assignment operator, and assignment operator you are going to use with equals to symbol. The arithmetic operators are those things which are used to perform addition operation, subtraction, multiplication and division operations. Hence, these are the different types of operators here. Plus operator is used for addition operation. Minus is used for subtraction. Multiplication into operator or asterisk mark is used for multiplication operation. Slash is used for division operation. Hence, we are going to have with another one, that is modulus operator is used for getting the remainder of the operands. So this is called as what? A simple example of your arithmetic operation. Here you are having an arithmetic operation wherein which int result is equals to 1 plus 2. Directly have been assigned a variable with operation called as addition. So 1 plus 2 is nothing but 1 will be added with 2, and hence the result will be stored within result. That is nothing but you are going to get the value as 3. Then you are going to have the next statement, that the next statement, that is int original result is equal to result. So original result is another variable, and you are taking the value of result 3 and storing in what? Original result. So result is equals to result minus 1. So what is the result you want to have? Already you have been added two numbers and stored within the result. So 3 will be there. 3 minus 1 means you are going to store with 2 within the result. Next you are going to define with the another variable, another value, that is called as original result is equal to result. Now you are having the result as 2, and you are going to store that value within the another variable. So result is equals to result into 2. What is the result into 2 means? 2 into 2. Now you are going to have the result with 4 value. Then once again you are going to go for the model division operation. Then afterwards you are going to go for once again addition operation. Then lastly you are going to complete with modulus operations. This is how actually we are going to have the arithmetic operations in a Java programming language. That here what he has been done, he has been taken the values directly and made the operations. Hence you can take the values and you can assign those values into the variables, then also you can add them. That is nothing but called as what? Another type of example for your arithmetic operation. Then we can go for the unary operators. Unary operators which are going to act on a single operand. Already have been seen that one in the previous semester, that is in first semester. The unary operators require only one operand. They perform various operations such as incrementing, decrementing a value by 1, negating an expression, or inverting the value of a Boolean expression. So if double plus is used or a single plus is used, unary plus operator indicates a positive value. So if any variable value is assigned with the operator only single plus and assigned to a value and to the variable, then we can call that one as what? A unary operator. Unary plus operator. Unary minus operator means negates an expression. Whatever the value, or if there is an example 3 plus minus of 2 means actually the operation or expression is given of addition, but when you are acting a single value with minus operation like minus 2, whatever the expression is conversion is plus operation which is converted to minus. So the answer of 3 plus minus of 2 will be 1. Actually according to the expression it should have to display with 5, but it is going to display with what? A 1. So that is nothing but called as what? Unary minus operator. Double plus means incrementing a value by 1. Double minus means decrementing by 1. And lastly, I are going to have the logical complement operator inverts the value of boolean. If you are going to send exclamatory 0 means it is going to revert or it is going to invert the value to 1. So negation of 0 is 1 and negation of 1 is equals to 0. So you should not try with the negation of 2 will be converted to something else. Negation of boolean values. Boolean values either takes 0 or it will be taking 1. Keep in the mind. That is important over here. Unary operators you want to have, you will be acting on only single operator, where arithmetic operators are going to act on two different operands. So unary minus operators, unary operators will be having with plus, minus, then you are going to have double plus, double minus and exclamatory. A simple example is also given to you. So what he is going to have here? We shall see with a simple example. Now he has been written here, int result is equal to plus 1. Int result equals to plus 1 means what you are going to have here? Now that is plus 1 is a positive value. You are not making any addition here, just you are signifying that plus 1 is a positive value which is assigned to a result and you are going to display that value. Then ultimately what it is going to display for you? It will be displaying 1. Then next to that one you are going to have result minus minus. Result minus minus means according to the unary operator, minus minus signifies it is going to decrement or deduce or reduce a value of variable result to minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0 you are going to have. Then afterwards you are going to have the result plus plus. Result plus plus stands with what? An increment by an value. Already result is having with 0 value. So you are making an addition to 1 for that one. So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1 you are going to display. Then what is going to say? Result is equals to minus result. Minus is unary minus. Whatever the positive values are there or a positive variable values will be there, those all the values will be negated to minus. So result is having with 1, so minus 1 will be displayed for you. Then you are going to have with a boolean success is equals to false. Boolean success is equal to false. It is what? A variable which is assigned with false as a boolean value, and you are using a exclamatory value within a system.out.println, which is nothing but called as what? Conversion of or inverts the false to true. Already we have displayed and explained that exclamatory value which is going to take the false value to true or true value to false, false value to true or true value to the false. Hence we can say this is what an unary operators. So once again we will discuss the other things in the next class. Thank you.